How to build a planter box. Have your timber cut to size by one of our friendly team members in store. We've gone with one 40-35 treater pine, but you can go with whatever size you like. You can use different lengths so you have variation in the height of your planter boxes. Assemble your planter boxes using an impact driver and bugle head screws. Once you have your planter boxes assembled and in place, you are ready to fill your planter boxes. Fill your boxes 3/4 of the way with stones and then top with potting mix. Add your plants, and for some decoration, you can add some stones to the top.